Hi everyone, and welcome to Paper Pumpkin Week here on Creative Chelsey. Over the last week, I've shared some great card ideas you can make with the December 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Notes from the Heart. Today I'm sharing with you my fifth alternative card idea. The kit creates a total of 9 cards, 3 in 3 different designs, along with coordinating envelopes. If you would like to watch me unbox the kit and create these cards or see any of my other alternative projects, you can click on the playlist in the top right corner. I did love the Scallop Cardbases from the kit and wanted to use a whole one for this last alternative. I love how it frames the card. The beautiful Blackberry Die Cut sits on top of the ripped envelope and soft pink background. I love the sweetness of this card. I also want to mention the amazing perks you can receive when you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin with me as your demonstrator. With every Paper Pumpkin stamp set and ink spot sent, I design a card and mail out my very own card kit to my subscribers so they can make 2 of my exclusive card design. These cards are so fun and show new ways to use the stamps and ink from the kit. We also meet once each month to make the card together, chat, and have fun. If you would also like to receive this extra perk, sign up for Paper Pumpkin using the link below and make sure to select me as your demonstrator. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and begin by cutting up this last piece of envelope that we have. It's from the back. I'm going to start by trimming this extra pieces off the sides. So start there, trim that one off, and then the final size we need is 4 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and just measure out 4 inches on the left side. I do need to also trim off about a 1/2 inch from the bottom, just like that. So I've got a 1/2 inch by 4 inches, and then this piece with the curve that's 4 inches across. So let's go ahead and we're going to this is Bubble Bath Cardstock. I love the light pink color, and I am going to splatter it with some ink. And you could use any ink color. I have this pretty in pink here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Just splatter it all over. And this piece is just a little smaller than our normal card front. It is 4 inches, but it is 5 inches tall. So 4 inches by 5 inches. We're going to take those envelope pieces. The first thing we're going to do is along that curved edge, we're going to tear. And just go ahead and tear just straight across. It can have a little bit of height difference. It doesn't really matter. So it's going to look like that. You're going to take the piece you just tore off. You're going to flip it over so you can see the inside of it. And then add a little liquid adhesive, or you could use glue dots or tear and tape, whatever you want. And we're going to add it right to the top. So we're going to get this double torn look. Okay. Just like that. Doesn't need to be perfect or even. You just want to make sure that it's attached. Then we're going to take this piece and you're going to tear off one side of it. Now this side that you're tearing, you're not going to keep. So you want to kind of keep most of the paper to the side you're going to keep. So this side here, I'm just going to trash. This is the side I'm going to glue down. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to add this to the back of everything else, and that will give us 3 layers of torn edge, and I just love the way it looks, so that's why I wanted to do that. I think it gives a really fun look to our cards. Fun detail. Let's go ahead and add this to the bottom of our Bubble Bath card. Again, I'm going to use liquid adhesive. Make sure it lines up on all 3 sides, and then smooth it out. Then on the back, I'm going to take some of this gold ribbon. You could use any color ribbon, and I'm going to attach it. I'm going to use a glue dot. So let's just think really quick. Let's see, where did I put this one? So 1/2, 1/2. So it's about 1.5 inches from the bottom. So I'll just flip this over and measure that out. So 1/2, 1/2. So right about there. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Same on this side. Oh, that's kind of in there quite a bit. That's okay. Attach one of the ends, come across, and attach it to the other end. And then if you have extra, just cut it off. And you can kind of adjust a little bit as you want. So now that we've got that done, we're going to add the large berry die cut. I do have dimensionals on the back, and we're going to place that here on the right side. Just like that. And then this space here on the left is where we're going to stamp our greeting. So you're going to want to choose a greeting that will fit in that space. I'm going to use Hello, and I'm going to stamp it in the Blackberry Bliss ink that came in the kit. When you ink this up, make sure to only ink up the stamp. You want to make sure your clear block is nice and clean because you might be stamping onto that die cut. And then go ahead and just stamp right there. So it looks something like this. Then we're going to add this to our card base with dimensionals on the back. Make sure to add some dimensionals over the ribbon so that everything stays in place. And when you add this, you're going to want to make sure that the top and bottom are even. The left edge goes up against the folded edge on the card base. And that's going to give you a nice border that's even all the way across on all 3 sides. And then the last thing we're going to add are some of the gold glitter gems that came in the kit. Let's place one down here by the greeting. And then we'll place 2 smaller ones up here in the top right corner. Okay. And your card is all done. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful card today. If you would like to see written instructions or close-up images on how to create this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. If you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin to get your own monthly crafting kit, please do so using the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.